sometimes we want to have a multiple of 2 or more terms. So if we want 4a plus 5b 3 times, we can write this with brackets like this. We can also think of it as 3 sets of 4a plus 5b, or as 3 baskets each containing 4 apples and 5 bananas. So let's expand this. As we know that 3x means x plus x plus x. So 3 times 4a plus 5b means we add this 3 times. That is 12a plus 15b. The easiest way to get the answer is to multiply 3 by 4a and also multiply 3 by 5b. Here we expand and simplify. Multiplying the contents of the first bracket by 4 and the second bracket by 5, we get 8x plus 20 plus 15x plus 10, and this simplifies to 23x plus 30, which is the answer. Now to find this, here we halve the terms in the bracket. So we get 3a plus 4b minus 5 minus 2b, which is 3a plus 2b minus 5 when we combine the b terms. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.